Chocolate is one of those things that everybody can associate with, and it typically associates with being happy. You know, Rocky Mountain Chocolate started with an idea to satisfy customers in Durango, Colorado with great chocolate products. Little did we know within a few years' time that we would be nationwide with a brand that is truly Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory and represents us here in the mountains.
Frank Crail, who is still our chairman CEO, he had sold an IT business. He was an IT guy, sold that business, and looked for a place for he and his family to move. And so they wanted to live in the mountains. They looked at two communities, Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and Durango, Colorado.
So they came to Durango and never left and never made it to Jackson. He leveraged a friendship and an introduction that he had to a gentleman by the name of Everett Seeley, who had a wholesale chocolate company.
And so Frank knew something about chocolate. He loved chocolate. Talked to Everett and convinced Everett in his late 60s to move to Durango and teach us how to make chocolate.
To leave Durango, the nearest interstate is 4 to 5 hours away.
It's a beautiful place when you get here, but especially in 1981, it wasn't all that easy to get here. And particularly, I don't think anybody at the time would have thought, boy, this is a great place to be a manufacturer.
To ship out of Durango creates a lot of logistical challenges that we figured out.
Our trucks leave every day full of Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory chocolate going to our franchise owners and to other customers. On the backside, they come back filled with other things like ingredients or supplies for folks that we use to make our chocolate.
Volvo Trucks have satisfied that need for us. They're not only very safe and comfortable for our drivers, but they're reliable. We've been extremely happy with it. They're the best looking trucks on the road.
The drivers are well taken care of around here. That's why we went with Volvo Trucks. The comfort of the truck, the quality of the truck, the safety enhancements, creature comforts. You know, when you're in a truck for 10, 12 days, you got to be comfortable. You know, our product is a quality product, and we want to reflect that in the vehicles we use to deliver it to our stores.
Our creative services team and transportation work together to design a really compelling design that speaks really highly of the brand. So those trucks are really a rolling billboard, but what I like about that is it's not just about the pictures there, it's about the driver in the seat and the team that gets them there that makes sure that our customers are well cared for and that the product gets there in great shape.
I think with the quality of the truck that we have, brings in a quality driver. That's a plus for anybody wanting to work with us, then they drive good equipment.
And our franchise owners would tell you amazing stories of how hard our truck drivers have worked to get the product to them in the right amount of time. I can't imagine looking back that there was ever any thought that there'd be another way to do this other than having our own trucks.